Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on restore number 93. It's a 1975 Johnson 25 horsepower model 25E75B. I got her all put back together. Got her in the barrel. Gonna do the barrel test on her this afternoon and see how she runs. Everybody's ready? Here we go. Okay, so here we go. This is an electric start model, but it did not come to me from BJ with an electric starter on it. It was the rewind starter pull, and I'm 68 years old, a little too old to be pulling a 25 horsepower, so I set me up a starter situation. I got me a battery with a knife switch on it, and I ran the leads up here on my stand up to a solenoid with a start switch right here, and I mounted me a starter, and I have it grounded right here, and I have the power to the starter right here. So we're gonna give her a start here. This is a warm start. I've been running her and she runs great. I'm gonna press the starter button and fire it up. As you can see, it runs great. Idle's good, starts right up. All I got left is to put the decals on the hood and set her up right there, and she'll be good to go. Remember, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.